Years of welding have trained you to know exactly what you need in a hood. Crucial comfort, large lens, and next-generation technology. Every special operation needs special equipment that gets the job done, and when it comes to your helmet, Sentinel is worn by the best. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Revolutionary shell design, high impact resistance nylon. Number 2. Halo headgear, ergonomic, infinitely adjustable 5-point headgear provides extreme comfort and balance. Low profile design, central pivot point allows for maximum head clearance while the helmet is in the up position. Number 3. 93 by 2, 36 in, 100 by 60 mm viewing area. 1/1, the 1st or the 2nd of May 13 ADF. Number 4. Color touch screen control panel with 8 separate memory settings and externally activated shade 4 grind button. Number 5. Hard hat adapter option available for use with ESAB hard hat, excluding Canada. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. What color is the arc displayed with? Blue, amber, green. Answer. True color blue. Question number 2. Warranty on this product? Answer. Yes. There is a manufacturer warranty. You'd have to contact ESAB for details. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.